Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Absolute beautiful reversal, and anybody who watched my last video should have been prepared for this nice movement. All day yesterday I said we're probably coming down in a WXY pattern. Should see the 5 waves done. I said yesterday in my last video the 5th wave could be done. We missed the target here, and I mean anybody who knows about targets knows that this was really accurate. We came down here to 16,000 basically. Target was 15,980. That was only the ideal target. Yeah, generally this is the target area for a wave 2 correction. We came into it 3 times. Yeah, anybody who wanted to trade this had the opportunity to add a long position 3 times. Now I'm never telling you to do it. It's entirely up to you. If you want to, it's entirely up to you. Everybody's in an individual position. But yeah, this would have been a nice trade. Okay, so this worked out nicely. It looks like at the moment that this wave 2, yeah, so wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside in a 3-wave move, WXY, that is finished. The movement to the upside at the moment suggests that, because it looks like that this was a wave 1 indeed. This possible reversal that we saw yesterday, wasn't entirely convinced by it. Because we didn't really fulfill any bullish sort of momentum, but we never lost support, and we got rejected again by the support area after my last video. So it was quite a bullish signal, another bullish engulfing candle, and then we moved up in a 3rd wave. That's how it looks like, and we came exactly to the level that I mentioned in the last video, which was this descending trend line. So this could very well be the wave 3. We're going to check the Fibonacci extensions in a minute. But as it seems, without checking that, I need to check, I haven't looked at it. Without checking that, it might be that the 1.618 extension hasn't been reached yet, which seems to be typical for Bitcoin in the current environment. Ethereum does it usually. Bitcoin is weak. So it should be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what we want to see. Let's first check the Fib extensions, because we want to know, is the wave 3 most likely complete? And yeah, already you can see it's disappointing. Bitcoin did not reach the 1.618 extension. Ethereum did, for example. Just, it makes you lose, sort of confidence in this count. That's why I repeatedly say that at the moment, Ethereum is for me the much better chart to trade. I stay away from Bitcoin trades because, first of all, they are, at the moment for me, they are less profitable. Yeah, Ethereum adheres much better to the Fib extensions and so on. It's a much more bullish count. Bitcoin has basically the same count at the moment, but it's just under-delivering, underperforming against Ethereum, which is not surprising. We know that, but it's just, it just shows you. So here I would actually suggest wave 3 is probably not finished yet, but Ethereum's is finished. So, ideally, I mean, there's no rule that says wave 3 needs to go to the 1.618 extension. It's more a guideline. It basically reached the 1.236 at 16,535, which is fine. But ideally, for confidence, you want to see the 16,670 level. So I'm going to mark this. I would say ideally we want to see this, right? Ideally. But there's no guarantee. So it could be this is wave 3. What then would need to happen, we would, in a wave 4 retracement now, if that started now, that wave 4 retracement, we need to see the price hold above 16,360. It needs to hold above the wave 1 high. So let me add that to the chart. And then we should see a wave 5 to the upside. 5 waves up. Okay. 5 waves up. And then we should see an ABC down, and that would be another entry point for anybody who missed these 3 possibilities in the support box. Bear in mind, at the moment I wouldn't go in because we're just below resistance, right? We're just below a descending trend line. We're just below resistance, and you don't really want to go long just below resistance. At least I wouldn't. I would either wait here for a breakout above it, or I would wait for the next major retracement, next major pullback, which would give you a decent reward to risk ratio. But so far, this is working out great. It could be we are now in this 3rd wave. I said before, target around 18 to 19K. It could be a bullish week. Said that before. A bit too early to say that because at the moment we're just making lower lows and lower highs here. It all depends on, do we finally break out here and make it above first of all, the wave B high at 16,590, then the wave X high at 16,690, and then we can take it higher. And the 16.8k level is an important breakout point generally. But yeah, so far, I think that's my view. It remains, should we come down from here for whatever reason, it is very important generally that we hold the 15.7k level. That's super important, because below 15.7k, this bullish 1-2 setup, even, bear in mind, it's not breakout necessarily, it's only part of a larger bearish pattern. So short-term upside is always possible also in a bear market. This is not going to work out most likely if we drop below 15.7k. Okay, and that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.